guys, Apple here. Welcome to another video. We back. This is a real quick intro, but like, yeah, we're gonna get started working on the gauges. But yeah, welcome back. There's Joel right there. Joel. It's my Integgy right here. You haven't seen it in a minute. Shit. Actually, yeah, you seen it in the last vlog. But yeah, we got the $9 garage lip, aka it was $10. Actually, after tax it's $11.99. But anyways, yeah, we got my buddy here stage. Are we buddies? Okay, never mind. We got channels here. We're working on my cluster. So we'll show you what the end process of this is. But like, we're making something sick. Hey, channels.
Pass me the gauges real quick. I gotta see some shit.
Okay, yeah. And then we got Joel over there, being a Joel
master
with his MTS hat wannabe ass. Bro, that's you could like
LS fucking.
Anyways, yeah, but yeah, we're gonna put the radio down there. We're gonna switch the radio down there. That's where the cigarette light is gonna be ran, and where the fan switch is gonna be, and then gauge is gonna be on top. But yeah, anything to say, channels?
No.
Okay. Anyways, yes, and it's pretty clean. We're gonna put some new wheels on it. Ours just new wheels. But yeah, right now we're trying to figure out the gauges. If Joel wants to snap, if Joel wants to be my cameraman for once in his lifetime, maybe I'll give him the camera. Maybe he can record around because he is sitting right now. But like, but it's okay. It's okay. Life goes on. You know. That was pretty nasty.
Yo,
but
whose channel is it? Is it mine or is it yours?
Huh? Mine.
Exactly. Take care of your own responsibilities.
Whose integra is this? This is mine or yours?
And who's working on it?
Me?
Oh, you're a real TJ Hunt. All your friends working on your car, but you just sitting around talking to a camera.
Started on this end. Yeah. Okay. Right. So yeah, my car didn't work and my video got messed up. But
What else is new?
why you gotta roast me on camera? You're such a like off camera. You're such a nice guy. But on camera, you just gotta be a roast fest, eh? But anyways, yes. So yeah, we got this distributor here. We gotta time this the old-fashioned haggard-ass way, which is we move the crankshaft, get it timed to whatever, right? The Sage in its beautiful, sexy form.
Stop it. You're too nice to me.
Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So we got the gauge cluster right here, which we're running gauges. We're running, this is our temp gauge, our battery voltage, and the oil pressure, right? But oil pressure we're not gonna hook up today. And then here's the battery, which it works. You're just gonna run a switch through it. So yeah, we're getting rid of this piece, which is the glove box and the cigarette lighter, because we need the cigarette lighter right here. And we have the switch right here for the fans, because now I'm running manually fans, which Sage is working right now, the wiring for this. So this time eating a pizza. But anyways, yeah, I'm working on wires for this. This is my brother. I'm working on wires for this. Arsh came by. He ripped out this. This is the command start off my car, which I don't need. It just more work. So that's gone. That's a piece of shit. And this is subwoofer wiring, and I gotta take this out because we're gonna use this as a ground. And yeah, you know.
Who soldered this?
Which one?
Come show them this horrendous solder. What in tarnation is this?
Wait.
Didn't you do that?
No, I didn't do this.
But you saw it like somewhere.
Okay, my camera's a piece of shit, but we can't sew it. That was me. That was my first time soldering.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Then this is my whole head of my B18. You know, there's right there corrosion shit. Corrosion. Sorry. This is what's it called? Carbon buildup. And I'm just gonna. I don't know. I'm still debating on if I want to rebuild that block or if I want to do something else. I'm gonna get Sammy. Sammy's gonna be vlogging the rest half, eating that pizza and shit. Yeah, yeah, boy, eat that shit. What's up, saying? That's sick, oh, that looks so sick, Sage.
Wow, that
looks so sick, yo.
Hey, yo, Amy.
I just called you Amy.
You just call me
Amy.
Why?
Where's the electrical tape?
I don't know where it is, Seiji.
Oh, thank you so much. Joke's on you. Already a girl's name, so.
Is it?
It reminds me of Naruto.
Kind of. Oh yeah.
Whiskey. I think he's gonna break the back of the car.
Oh, it sounds like there's some tentacle fun going on.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I just broke my door.
This car might explode.
Just call me whenever you're sure. Well, how much shit? What I was talking about.
Well, mine's like a lot better. My phone is all like